Hi, welcome to Numina, the only place that's reverse engineered the College Board. We're going to show you how to solve these problems very quickly with mathematical precision and with 100% confidence. That means you no longer have to rely on the answer key, but purely on the power of knowledge. The mind is a powerful tool, and we're going to show you how to use it. Here's how it's done. Here you are with question 9. For this question, we will look for pronoun coordination, fragment, subordination, and modifier errors. You'll see this question 3 times. The first time I'll read the question and solve the problem without any explanations. However, I will eliminate certain words and phrases within each of the incorrect choices. The second time, we'll solve the question together and discuss the grammar involved in each of the incorrect answer choices. And the last time, I'll give you a chance to solve the problem on your own. Let's get started. The same analysts who once favored public opinion polls now see them as hampering representative government. I do not see anything immediately wrong with A, so I'm going to go ahead and keep A for now. I see an error in B. I'm going to go ahead and eliminate B. I see an error in C. C is gone. I see an error in D. D is gone. And I see an error in E. E is gone. Our answer is A. Now, if that was too fast for you to follow, don't worry. Now it's time for us to talk about the grammar. Now let's take a closer look at question 9. Remember, we're going to talk about the grammar involved in each of the choices, so make sure you take a lot of notes. Let's get on to the question. The same analysts who once favored public opinion polls now see them as hampering representative government. I do not see an immediate error in choice A, so I'm going to go ahead and recommend that we hold on to A for now and move on to the other choices. In choice B, I see a pronoun error. We have an error in the word which. Which is trying to refer to analysts, which is a group of people, or who are a group of people. So when we want to refer to a group of people using a relative pronoun, we need to use the appropriate relative pronoun. In this case, it would be the pronoun who. Since we do not have who here, we can go ahead and say that we have a pronoun error in B and eliminate B. In C, I notice that we have a coordination or a fragment error in C. Coordinating conjunctions, as you remember, can join similar or like items. Here we have public opinion polls, which is a noun, trying to be joined by the coordinating conjunction but. To what? After but, we do not have another noun or verb actually. We just have a phrase, past participle phrase, now seen by these same analysts. This is describing the opinion polls. So it's a past participle adjective here. So you can go ahead and say that we have a coordination error or a parallel error. Taking a closer look in choice C, you notice that we have a fragment. There's no main verb. There's no main verb anywhere in choice C. Public opinion polls is our noun, but it is without a verb. So we have a fragment in C. In D, we have the phrase in the beginning of the sentence in choice D, as we're favoring public opinion polls. Well, for reference, this is indicating the topic of the sentence. As for favoring public opinion polls, the topic being favoring public opinion polls. Well, who is favoring public opinion polls? You may say logically that it's the same analyst, which would be fine. However, we have a modifier error here in the same analyst. It's confusing and unclear who these analysts actually are. Well, you may say Brian, so the name. They're the same analysts. Well, the same as who? The same as what? we don't know. So it's unclear. So we should always eliminate any choices that offer ambiguity. So we can say we have a modifier here, error here in D. In choice E, we put a box around which these same analysts now see. And we said this is a subordination error. Why? Well, which is being used appropriately here. It's referring to polls, and these polls are, these same analysts now see these polls as hampering representative government. This is okay. However, logically, the correct choice should compare the perspective or stance of analysts from a previous time to their current stance. In this case, their stance on public opinion polls. Let's compare choice A and E so you can see the subordination error a little more clearly. In A, we have the same analysts, and we subordinate this idea who once favored public opinion polls now see them. So the actual main idea in the sentence in choice A is the same analysts who once favored these analysts now see them as hampering representative government. In choice E, the main idea in choice E is that analysts once were in favor. So the focus in choice E is about a position in the past and not the current position of analysts. Comparing the two choices, A is a better choice. It's clear and it relieves us of any wordiness or coordination errors or fragment errors. So our correct answer for question 9 should be answer choice A. The same analysts who once favored public opinion polls now see them as hampering representative government. Now I know that was a lot. However, if you still have issues here, you can go online, visit our website, visit our video archive section, and pull up the videos of the topics that have given you the most difficulty. Now that you've had some time to study the grammar in this question, it's your turn to try to apply what you've learned and see if you can solve the problem on your own. I'll read the question, and then I'll give you a moment to pause the video. The same analysts who once favored public opinion polls now see them as hampering representative government. Okay, go ahead and stop the video now. Alright, welcome back. How'd you do? Well, let's go ahead and go through the choices one more time and see if you can go ahead and confirm your answers from your individual trial. Let's take a look at the question. The same analysts who once favored public opinion polls now see them as hampering representative government. A looks okay. I'm going to hold on to A. We have a pronoun error in B. Eliminate B. We have a fragment in C. C is gone. We have modifier error in D. D is gone. And again, we have a subordination error in E. E is gone. Our answer is A. Did you confirm your answer? Did you get it right? We hope so. Noumena, empowering mind.